Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for January. This month's theme is the Year of You, with the Glam Bag being super soft and fluffy and the Glam Bag Plus featuring a beautiful floral design. First, let's take a look inside the Glam Bag. We have the Dew of the Gods Feels Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Facial Scrub, Gold Fodden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate, Wing Me Little Liquid Liner, Aether Beauty Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain, and the Tarte H2o Balm In Villa. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside, we have the Earth Harbor Oasis Deep Pore Gel Cleanser, Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask, Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture, Winky Lux Latte Kitten Palette, and the Beauty Vault Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received, starting with skincare. First, I'm cleansing with the Earth Harbor Oasis Deep Pore Gel Cleanser. Right off the bat, I do notice that the product is already leaking out of the packaging. This is created for all skin types and claims to help with pores, breakouts, buildup, inflammation, oil control, and barrier balance. It feels very refreshing and it doesn't make my skin feel tight or uncomfortable at all, just very clean. Next, I'm exfoliating with the Dew of the Gods Feels Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Facial Scrub. This is designed to be applied dry and is formulated with fatty squalene to protect new skin while the old you washes away. The exfoliating particles are huge. You don't have to press hard at all. My skin feels brand new after that. Now I'm testing out the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Recovery Mask. This is supposed to restore the look of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. It looks and smells just like yogurt. Now that I've had it on for a few minutes and it started to tingle, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Now that my skin is feeling like a baby's bottom, I'm going to use the Gold Fodden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. I actually already have the full-size version of this. I've tried so many products by Gold Fodden and you can really never go wrong. For the last step in my skincare routine, I'm applying the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. My skin really loves Murad products, so I have a good feeling about this one. It's meant to relieve dry, dehydrated skin, so it's perfect for me. It makes me wish that I had received the full-size version of this one. Now let's try out the Wing Me Little Liquid Liner. It's so cute and tiny. It's going on smoothly without skipping. It's really easy to work with and very intense black. Now let's take a look at the Winky Lux Latte Kitten Palette. This is a 9-pan palette that's coffee scented. Let's swatch it. Wow, that's highly pigmented and buttery smooth. First, I'm dipping into this matte shade called Cinnamon. I'm applying this around the graphic liner for a touch of color. Next, I'm picking up the shimmery shade called Sugar Crystal. I'm applying this all over my lid. Overall, it's a great palette. I just tend to prefer palettes with more colors, especially mattes. Next, I'm using the Beauty Vault Mascara. This is $18 and claims to be waterproof. I gotta say, I love how small the wand is. I just noticed it's scented, which is a little odd for a mascara. Finally, I'm applying the Aether Beauty Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain. Wow, that's much more pigmented than expected, and it's super hydrating too. I'm also going to add the Tarte H2o Balm In Villa. Here's the finished look using products from both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for January. Let me know what you thought about the first Ipsy of 2023 in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.